The Cuisinart Petite Gourmet gas grill is a compact powerhouse, offering a generous 150 square inches of porcelain-enameled cooking space that can handle up to 8 burgers or 6 to 10 chicken breasts at once. This portable grill is equipped with a 5,500 British thermal unit burner, ensuring fast and consistent grilling with its twist-to-start ignition system. The innovative VersaStand feature allows the grill to seamlessly transition from a tabletop setup to a freestanding unit, providing flexibility for various grilling environments. Its lightweight and foldable design, complete with a lid latch and carry handle, makes it incredibly easy to transport for camping, tailgating, or beach outings. The grill's cooking grates are dishwasher safe, allowing for effortless cleaning after a delightful grilling session. With tool-free assembly, you can have this grill ready for use in under 10 minutes, making it a convenient option for everyday grilling adventures.